Now this is how long should credit repair take? Make sure you watch my previous video that states how to read a credit report. So this video, how long your credit repair should take, will make sense to you. Now, credit repair for someone who has older accounts, which I explained in the previous video, old hard inquiries, an old collection, personal information that is incorrect, or even an old negative item like a repossession that is almost 7 years old. The credit repair for that individual, which is going to be considered an easy file, will take anywhere from 30 days to 90 days. That's 3 rounds. 90 days is typically the best results you can receive for an easy file that has no challenging accounts that need to be removed. That is not what the majority of people who need to have their credit repaired will have. So let's talk about credit reports that have a mixture of easy and hard. Now, the easy accounts are hard inquiries, old collections, old medical bills, old tax liens that are almost 7 years old. That's easy. Now, let's talk about a mid-level credit difficulty. This credit report will have some of the easy, but it'll have a collection that is active. And when I say active, that means the debt collector is still calling, sending you letters, requesting payment or settlement of that debt. If you have an active collection and an active charge-off, meaning the original creditor is seeking to be reimbursed or paid for that outstanding balance, and you have a mixture of easy accounts to remove, this is medium difficulty. So how long will that credit repair process take? This will take anywhere from 2 rounds to 6 rounds. 6 rounds is around 180 days. 2 rounds, so that's 60 to 180 days, 6 months. Why would it take that long, you may ask? Well, active accounts require more documentation and a different approach in each round. Meaning, if you have a charge-off, you're going to look to see if the debt has been sold or is in the process of being sold, if it's still being held by the original creditor. Is this a Metro 2 compliant creditor? What is Metro 2? That simply means when the credit bureaus notify the original creditor that you submitted a dispute, the original creditor will call you. Capital One, American Express, or Metro 2 compliant. So as soon as you submit a dispute, you'll notice you'll start getting phone calls from that original creditor. If they're Metro 2 compliant, and those are 2 examples, it's going to take you anywhere from 3 to 6 months to get those accounts removed. Let's talk about a collection. They can also, a third-party debt collector can be challenging. Not only can they be Metro 2 compliant, some third-party debt collectors, once you submit a dispute, will then seek to be compensated by the civil court system. In other words, they'll sue you. So if you submit a dispute to LVNB funding and you owe them $3,000, they potentially will send this information to the court system so they can take you to court and settle. If that is the case, and you have a Metro 2 compliant third-party debt collector, those accounts can take 2 to 6 months to get removed. So that's a mid-level credit profile, meaning they have a combination of easy items and one or two hard items. Now, let's talk about a credit profile that has more than two challenging items, meaning they have a charge-off that is active, that's under a year old, the original creditor still trying to collect. They have a late payment that's under a year old. They have a collection that's under a year old, and a mixture of hard inquiries that are relatively recent and some old accounts that are easy to remove. A credit profile like that, I would score around a 10, meaning you have items that are 3, 4, and some 1s. So how long should that take? That will take anywhere from 3 months to 10 months for those accounts to be removed and for you to see noticeable improvement in your credit score and in your credit profile. Now, let's talk about a credit report as filled with a few more difficult items, such as a Chapter 13 that's under a year, a repossession, a collection that's under a year, 2 late payments. This I would consider a challenging credit report, and the time frame to see significant improvement will be anywhere from 3 months to a year. That being said, understand your credit report and profile is going to fall somewhere between there, from medium difficulty to extremely hard. And typically the people who have the easiest credit reports to clean up do not seek credit repair because they are potentially already being given credit at a good interest rate, so they typically don't seek credit repair. It's typically those who have challenging credit. Now let's talk about a credit report or a profile that I'm starting to see more and more often or get questions on. You paid someone to fix your credit. For whatever reason, it didn't work, but the methods they used were legitimate, meaning they did not use an identity theft protocol. They did not use any created documents to try to get items removed off your credit report. In this case, you're going to see improvements within 3 months to a year. Why the wide variety? Well, it depends on the methods they used and how recently you're starting behind them. So if you had your credit, you went to ABC Credit Repair in January, you stopped using their services in April, and they still had some letters out that probably haven't been responded to, and you started doing your credit repairs in May, you're going to have either between 4 months to about a year before you start seeing significant progress. And you have to understand, when you start, you don't know what method they use. Or even if you are aware of the methods, how the credit bureaus have either hardened their defenses, meaning they see future disputes as frivolous because they've already responded to that particular USC code or dispute technique. So you're going to take between 4 months to a year, but if they use legitimate techniques, it's typically between 4 months to 8 months before you see significant improvement. Now, here we are on the one that is going to take the longest. If you are doing credit repair and the person or the company before used the data breach method, and where accounts were reinserted back onto your credit report, meaning, let's say March, you had a 700 credit score, And right now, you got a 510 because all the accounts that got removed are back. Your credit repair is going to take anywhere from 6 months to 2 years. Yes, up to 2 years. If they filed FTC identity theft reports that were fraudulent in your name, and those accounts have been reinserted, the credit bureau and the data furniture are going to ignore your disputes for the first few months after they have been reinserted. So you're going to have more work to do, and it's going to take longer before you start seeing results based upon the fact they used the data breach before you started getting your credit repair done yourself. Now, if you are unsure if they used the data breach, here are some tips. If the credit repair company guaranteed accounts were going to be removed in under 30 days, 99% of the time they use the identity theft method, because credit repair, legitimate credit repair, doesn't occur in under 30 days. Because the credit bureaus are given up to 45 days to respond. So if I guarantee you that you're going to have significant removal of accounts in under 30 days, there's a great possibility that I'm filing a fraudulent FTC identity theft report, which will cause you further harm in the future. Many times they can remove some accounts quickly, but once they're reinserted, it takes a lot more effort and a lot more time. So hopefully that helps you. But the average credit repair takes anywhere from 60 to 180 days. So from 2 months to 6 months before you start seeing great results. Now, if you have harder accounts on your credit report as described in this video and the video that says how to read a credit report like a pro, you're going to take either from 4 months to a year. So if you have an active late payment, meaning you still have the account open, but you made a late payment, or you have multiple late payments, it's going to take between 4 months to a year. If you have an active charge off and where they're still trying to collect, it's going to take 4 months to a year before you start seeing noticeable improvement. Many times when people start their credit repair process, they stop early because they anticipate seeing results quickly based upon what they see on social media or what they believe should occur. Let me be quite frank. Many people who start repairing their credit misunderstand how credit repair works. There's no one method, no one technique that is going to remove negative credit in a short time frame. Average credit repair takes between 2 to 8 months. Those who use the techniques that I provide and that are provided elsewhere can see faster results, but no one can guarantee you, not me, not AI credit repair genius, whomever, within 30 days. So understand average credit repair has a time frame to 2 to 6 months. The average credit report has a few difficult accounts, some easy accounts, so they'll see results between 3 and 8 months. And when I say see results, that means you'll see accounts being removed. Now, your difficult accounts are going to take longer to remove. That's why I rated them 1 through 5. If you have an active late payment, that's a number 4. It's going to take typically 3 to 6 months before it is removed. If you have an active charge-off, same thing, 3 to 6 months. Active collection, 3 to 6 months. What is active? They're still calling, trying to collect on the debt. Active Chapter 7 bankruptcy, no need to get credit repair until it's been dismissed for at least a year. Active Chapter 13, a wage earner, yes, those can be removed after about 6 months of on-time payments. If you have any questions, make sure to email me. You want a phone consultation, email me, we'll schedule a time. If you have a question that you don't mind the public seeing, leave a comment. And if you have one where you just want me to see it, send me an email at perfectscore@$10creditrepair.com. Thank you.